Life is a wonder. Tiny cells make up all living things. Inside each cell is a special code. This code is like a blueprint. It tells the cell what to do. We call this code DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a long molecule. It looks like a twisted ladder. We call this shape a double helix. The rungs of the DNA ladder are made of chemicals. There are 4 different chemicals. We call them A, T, C, and G. The order of these chemicals is important. It's like a language. This language tells the cell how to grow and work. DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes. Imagine chromosomes like chapters in the instruction manual of life. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, inheriting 1 set from each parent. These chromosomes reside within the cell's nucleus, a central control center. Each chromosome carries thousands of genes, specific segments of DNA that dictate particular traits or functions. Genes act as blueprints for proteins. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell. They carry out a wide variety of tasks. When a gene is activated, it provides the instructions to build a specific protein. This process is called gene expression. Think of a gene like a recipe. It tells the cell what ingredients to use and how to assemble them to create a protein. Section 4. Cellular reproduction passing on the blueprint. Cells reproduce through division. One cell divides into 2 identical daughter cells. This is how organisms grow and repair themselves. Before a cell divides, it makes a copy of its DNA. Each daughter cell receives a complete set of chromosomes. This ensures that the genetic information is passed on from one generation of cells to the next. Section 5. Fueling the cellular engine, sources of energy. Cells need energy to function. They obtain this energy from different sources. Plants use sunlight to make their own food through photosynthesis. Animals, on the other hand, get their energy by consuming other organisms. They break down food molecules like glucose to release energy. This energy is stored in a molecule called ATP, which acts as the cell's energy currency. Section 6. The chemistry of life, enzymes as cellular catalysts. Cells are like tiny factories, constantly carrying out chemical reactions. Enzymes are proteins that speed up these reactions. They act like catalysts, facilitating the transformation of molecules without being consumed themselves. Enzymes are essential for processes like digestion, metabolism, and DNA replication. Section 7. The marvel of cells, tiny architects of life. Cells are marvels of nature. They store an immense amount of genetic information within their DNA. This information is organized into genes, which act as blueprints for cellular activities. Cells reproduce faithfully, passing on their genetic legacy to future generations. They obtain and utilize energy to fuel their intricate processes. Enzymes, the catalysts of life, ensure the smooth operation of these processes. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, all living organisms are composed of these remarkable building blocks of life.